Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Cash App card and earn Bitcoin back rewards. Okay, so here we are in Cash App. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. I have hundreds of tutorials and experiments. I'll also leave a link down in the description, which is more of like an overview tutorial of the whole platform. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. But in short, Cash App is basically a full service banking and investing app. You have your cash balance, you can get a physical card sent to you, and then you can get different discounts when you swipe that card. There's tons of different ones that come on here and you can use those. There's a peer-to-peer payment screen and an investing screen where you can invest in stocks and Bitcoin. So we're going to be talking a little bit about the Bitcoin today, but mostly talking through how you can earn Bitcoin back by swiping your Cash App card. First things first, you need the physical Cash App card. You have to get approved for the app and everything. It's a very simple process. Then once you create your card, on this screen, I have tutorials that will show you how to do that as well. They will mail you your Cash App card, and then you can start to use that. And when you use your card, it's just going to pull from your Cash App balance here, so you can send money back and forth to your bank account from your Cash App balance. So back on the Cash Card screen, you'll see the swap button right below the card. That's going to allow you to get these different discounts. So we have DoorDash, Wingstop, USPS, Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, all these different options. Currently, they have one that I'm on right now. Earn 3% worth of Bitcoin on 3 purchases. So this is basically just free Bitcoin back added to your Bitcoin balance automatically. You can see right now the maximum is $7.50, but this is kind of just like a test mode for them. I think they've tried a few different percentages with different numbers of purchases, so I think they're testing this stuff out, figuring out what will work best, and I'm hoping they just decide to do it on all purchases, because a lot of other apps are coming out with Bitcoin backed credit cards. I think that will be competition for Cash App, and they'll probably just want to match those apps and do Bitcoin back on all purchases. And I think the other apps are around 1.5%, so I don't know if I would expect 3% like you see here, but they are testing some things out, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to play this clip from last night. I just screen recorded. I went into Walmart, I found my items that I needed to purchase, scanned my items, got ready to go. I took out my Cash App, I turned on this boost, I swiped my card, it paid for it from my Cash App balance, and it gave me the Bitcoin reward automatically. And I believe the reward was 49 cents worth of Bitcoin. So it was super easy, automatically applied all of that stuff. It worked great, there was no issues. So good stuff, I'm excited about it. Now let's go into the Bitcoin section of the app and see what it looks like. So Bitcoin currently at $32,186, looking pretty good I think. Let's scroll down here, and under activity you can see yesterday. Up here at the top, Bitcoin earned. And something else that I noticed, when you tap on view all, there's this earnings, there's these 3 tabs, but then it kind of loads away from that. So I think that's something they're working on. You can see purchase, sold, earnings, but then it kind of goes away from that. So I think that's like a new user interface that they're working on that's a little buggy at this point. But you can see 0.00001501 Bitcoin earned. Transaction completed, all of that. 49 cents worth of Bitcoin. So that's definitely a nice bonus for a purchase to just be getting Bitcoin back like that. So very exciting stuff for Bitcoin rewards on Cash App using the Cash card. While we're here, let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint, and tap confirm. If you don't know, I purchase $1 of Bitcoin every single day as an experiment on this channel, so you can check out that series if you're interested. But there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might well.